How can you create a custom condition type in SAP MM, and what are the best practices for doing so? In SAP MM, there are several types of inventory management systems that can be used to manage inventory. Here are some of the most common types, along with their advantages and disadvantages. 1. Manual inventory management. Manual inventory management involves managing inventory using manual processes, such as counting inventory items by hand, tracking inventory levels using spreadsheets or paper-based records, and manually entering inventory data into the SAP MM system. Define the calculation procedure. Define the calculation procedure for the new condition type, including the formula for the calculation and the relevant condition tables. Assign the condition type. Assign the new condition type to the appropriate pricing procedure in SAP MM. Here are some best practices for creating a custom condition type in SAP MM. Understand the business requirements. Before creating a custom condition type, understand the business requirements and the specific pricing requirements that need to be met. Test the condition type. Once the custom condition type is created, test it thoroughly to ensure that it is working as expected. Document the configuration. Document the configuration for the custom condition type to ensure that it is properly maintained and can be updated as required. Monitor the performance. Monitor the performance of the custom condition type to ensure that it is not causing any issues, such as slowing down the system.